Hey guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on screen on function on your Huawei Watch GT 3. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, it is quite simple actually. You just need to swipe from the top to the bottom and just click on this screen on icon. And now your screen will be on during 5 minutes, but you can change the time in the settings. So let's go there by clicking this crown. And now scroll down or up till you find display and brightness. You need to select this tab. And now click on screen on and choose the time. But be aware of the fact that longer screen time means shorter battery life. If you agree, just accept. And that's all. Now your screen will be on during the time that you have set up. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.